Have you ever looked at your hands? Do they look aged? As we grow older, our hands suffer from the loss of elasticity and aging. This happens because they are exposed to excessive sun exposure, aggressive cleaning products, dish soaps, frequent water use, and even hot water. All these things together affect your skin's appearance. We usually notice wrinkles, thinner skin, and spots. Are your hands like this? Did you know that most people do nothing to slow down this process? Most people don't take care of their hands with the same dedication they have with their faces. So, if you want to minimize the older appearance of your hands, you can try some of these simple but efficient home remedies for wrinkly hands. A ripe banana is a great home remedy for wrinkly hands. Did you know that? It's because of the hydrating properties it has. It helps rejuvenate the skin and prevents wrinkles. Mash one ripe banana and apply the paste over your hands. Let it act for 30 minutes before rinsing with warm water. Do it once a day. Avocado is another fruit that can keep your hands smooth and free of wrinkles. Rich in antioxidants, it reverses wrinkles and keeps your hands soft. Besides, avocado improves collagen production, which keeps the elasticity and firmness of your skin. How amazing is that? Use avocado oil to massage your hands every day before going to bed. Let it act during the night and rinse in the morning. Another ingredient of your kitchen that keeps your hands soft and young is olive oil. Besides its many culinary uses, olive oil nourishes the skin, helps stimulate collagen production, reduces wrinkles, and avoids the signs of premature aging. Isn't it wonderful? Apply olive oil on your hands and massage for 5 to 10 minutes. After that, wear cotton gloves to keep your hands hydrated. Do it every day before going to sleep. In the morning, wash your hands with warm water. So, did you like the learning how to take care of your hands? Well-cared hands are a synonym of youthfulness and self-care. Try it and share with us which one was your favorite tip.
If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.